Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
So literally we're still on Garden Town Road, and you must see me already like enter this river a couple times already. So it's not going to be the first. It's not the first I'm going to go to this river. So I'll show you where I'm going. Like it's an active day today. So I'll show you where I'm going, you know. Eh, esse spot é só. What do water look?
Deep now.
So most deep man is the water down someone.
Oh yeah.
So deep man.
That's why I don't see much people there, so you know that. Go down there and see where I go. You look deep there, so for a good place to truck off and all that vibes. You know? Yeah, come here. Burger himself, you know, the founder, Burger Paradise. They have pass through, and I think we have to pass through once a year, and I have to pass through. They have to pass through, so I will showcase the paradise where a lot of people want to see. You know, because them see it already and love it. You see me? And we're there with him general himself.
Yeah man.
You see the resemblance, you know.
One family.
One family. Alright, so see there. Yeah. You see the resemblance. So we can show them what go on in the man, because we here at Burger Paradise, you know. Yeah? Alright then, so show them. Come in, Jackson. Whoa. So we're going to show them what go on, so. Oh, you just build a new pool right there.
Yeah. You know, so the one that always did it too. To the younger one, them we can't see.
Okay, okay. Wow. The place looking well upgraded, man. From the last time I've been here, the place is well upgraded, guys. I can see it's really become a paradise more and more. You know, it's more and more. As I can see, everyone having a nice time. Everyone holding a good vibe, isn't it? So I wanted to put in some work.
You know, say from keep the party, from before keep the party, as a rugby player, the player them.
Okay. Yeah.
While we put in the work and put the stone them and do the thing the right way, you understand?
I remember them rugby players the time. The time I was here helping when the rugby players them were here at the time.
So every time we just call them and them just
come true.
In, man.
I feel them make you exercise that. Yeah.
Yes, man. So a lot of greatness in the party.
Yeah. Hey guys, so showing the greatness and what going on the place. Looking good, man. I lie. It's so relaxing. Oh, you have the shirt as well. Hello, man. Cool?
Yeah, man.
Long time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. This is the pool is.
Yeah,
wow. Deep?
Yeah, man.
See it, man.
See from up there, so
yeah. But with a look boy, it make it look like says nothing at all. Yeah. Oh. You know that deep still, but for my height, we can't stand up tonight.
Nowadays, some artists come do some
video shoot.
Yeah, all type of thing, you know.
Okay. Yeah. So that yeah. So see the sign here, guys. Burger, Little Paradise. You know. You can also follow them on Instagram. You know.
Yeah, and TikTok.
TikTok.
You know? Yeah, you know. So we take time and do the thing away.
So this now have to help float the water.
Yeah, feel no
overflow.
Yeah. You want people to go on there deep out.
Because I look at spot everybody can come and be and see them here.
Yes, man. There's a whole lot to go to a place and they can go and be and
right, true, dedication.
So just rise up.
Yeah, so you see this guy, so you might see it. Trust me, it take a lot of work. You know, from all over the north here. Also, build it up with some more stones. Stone.
Rugby man then made it.
Oh, because it never stays at the time.
No. You can fall the sandbag them on the thing.
So if the river come down now, it won't wash with nothing then?
Well, if it come down, it wash it, was sail.
Wash with the stones? Or just the sandbags?
Everything. River pour off, water pour off.
Yeah, true. Yeah. But this look more sturdy, for sure.
It's sturdy. Yeah.
As you can see, this is sturdy.
You know, so I just click on my phone and I watch a video.
Yeah.
As I look up at you, I see video. I'm sorry for my life.
Jaja.
I can show up on my phone.
At the energy, man. At the energy.
Yeah,
so we can show them the rest of the river then.
Yeah, man. Follow man.
Show them. So you can see, guys, everyone having a nice time. So over the, yeah, so over there, so now for the big swimmers. Like, whoa, chef and me, and boom. The big swimmer them.
Everything like bathroom, everything down there, man. You can see the building.
Oh, the bathroom that's on the outside there, sir?
Yeah, man, you know. We have the septic tank to collect the thing they can't lead to the river, you know. Yeah, so the whole thing I can't keep that way.
Okay, so that's the shower.
Everything there. For the ladies, man. Changing room there, there's the same kitchen.
Oh, the changing room that right there, sir?
Yeah, the little kitchen there, there's the same.
Yeah.
On Sunday we do the thing.
Yeah.
Or anybody come and want to book the place and do them thing. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a place you can book as well if you keep any event or anything.
So I forgot my uniform.
Yeah, sure, yeah. Represent. So if somebody can book it, right?
Yeah.
When this was like just for them people alone. What about other people if they want to come?
Yeah, man, them can, if them, alright, if somebody can book it,
yeah,
we have spot for them people who don't want nobody to really go around them, you understand?
Okay.
If they want privacy.
Yeah,
we have that. That's why we have two people.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay. So basically, you know, if somebody come and want book the whole of yourself.
Yeah.
So they want to the outsiders, them know them still come here or different
Them
place.
still are come here, man. Because you know, them not go, them still are come, man.
So that comes here.
Yeah, them, everyone, you know, them
So to book it to include what them own the music and can cook.
Well, we have the music, man. We have everything, man. But they can bring them food and cook and everything. You understand?
Yeah.
And do them thing. I just 200 for the fee for us come in, you know? Yeah.
So on a regular day is $200 to come in.
Yeah, a regular day, man.
Yeah, because then again,
for kids, them, you know, because we have to keep the place clean and every time they come something different, you understand?
Yeah.
Not take the money and waste it.
No, because you can see the place is really put together.
Yeah, man.
It's really clean. I like.
And one day I'm coming, I heard they say this is front of bucket.
Yeah.
Where they come last week. Tell dogs I keep my party next day and the dog face a boom and come. From that every day the man come.
Yeah.
Very different from every day.
Yeah.
I every 2 days. Yeah, just
a good energy, man.
Yeah.
A good, really good
Sure,
energy.
I understand.
Yeah,
Yes,
good
clean.
energy. Good energy. So I guess the river you know is 2 separate rivers?
Yes, 2 separate. This is it's an upper river, you know, this leads back to upper Mam River on them side, you know.
Okay.
Yes, and this leads to upper Mavis Bank side,
Okay.
Yeah.
So around here, so you control around here, so as well inside?
Yes, man. As you can see, clean up on the sign, them, you know, BLP. But you got to look up paradise, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We control the side of me, man.
So because you run on the next side, then we see where I go on, because you know, every show, but look on the place, you know. Very nice. Very relaxing, you know. Make boom, they don't want to move. You know. A lot of these rocks. So listen, when the river come down, it come out of them places to where see these stones?
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yes, man. No, man. It's a storm.
Oh, storm. Is that storm bring them stone and come here too?
Yeah. It's have to be a storm.
Oh. Okay, if you reach this to this. Yeah. Yeah, imagine if you wear them stone here. Oh, so you have the running. Yes, that's what.
General, you good?
But that's a good idea with the pipe there underneath as well too.
You know, people go around here so too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we clean up the whole place and people want to stay, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but
Yeah. And paint up the stone them as well too.
Yeah, different.
So guys, so this is around the far corner. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Eh? Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I like, we love what I say. Yeah. You go, man, catch your half guard.
Yeah.
You catch your half guard. Well, it's a good look still, but not lie. You know, good look.
I just click for your video. I want to go put up the video.
Yeah, I either watch it. And then you look now, I turn right up.
I just edit it and let it
Edited last night. Yeah. So imagine that. Imagine the man say, I'm just I watch a video. You know, when them look at me, him say turn up. And say, just I watch a video and look at how him say turn up. Just like cool, man.
Anything I drop out.
Yeah, nah, miss. Paradise.
People rent the place and everything.
Yeah.
Because you know what people say, man. Come on, them just be rubbish or stuff.
Yeah, so you have to keep the place clean up and everything.
It's a nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice experience.
Yeah, man. Very nice experience. Yeah. So the deal, so you know, so we make it happen. I like that pool still. The man looking for a drop off still.
She was still.
She used to it.
I feel them young man. have some mama saying body.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so no people they're up there.
Yeah.
Film.
Yeah, yeah. No, man, she remember, man.
Come here, make sure you're right.
Yeah, so the kitchen this. Yeah, because you said you cooked the last time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say you cook, man.
Oh, yeah.
So a new thing, man.
No, the last time I cooked at the outside. And in the shed. So in inside the kitchen there now?
Yeah.
Okay.
On Sunday and Saturday, you know, we got the thing here for book, you know.
Yeah.
And mama cook, you know. She's the bad chef.
Cool, no, chef.
Smell it from a mile.
From a mile.
Yeah.
Hey. See there? So things changes, you know. Thing looking up.
More from around here.
Place well set up, man. One big chuck off, you know, boom, where you say? Water nice, man, look there. One big chuck off from up here, so. Jeez, I said the man in my jump from, and boom, right, that's how you chuck off.
See how you saw it?
Yeah. Yeah, so the chuck off spot there, and boom.
Nice.
I feel like I want to jump off. There, so I feel like I want to chuck right off.
That's my kid, I'm a kid's friend, a family friend, you know.
Yeah.
And we DJ up there, everything, you know.
Yeah, keep the place active. Yeah. Totally can get better, you know, from what I see.
Yeah, man.
Totally can get better. They come from far to where it is right now, you know. So that side leads to Hope River. I really have to come give a session over here, so. You see me, Jackson? Me if you come chuck off from here, so whoa. Yeah. Look, mama float. No. Water pretty, me not lying. Water looking well pretty. No joke about it. Yeah. I can't say maintain because you know, see no leaf and I know no rubbish and them something there, so this highly maintained, so people can see where the $100 and the $200 go because you can see. Yeah, it's highly maintained. You can see in the bottom.
Remember we pay light and water sale.
And pay light bill and water you get sale.
We are doing the thing.
Yeah, official. Yeah, man. That is it. Official, man. Yeah, man. Alright. A good look. Yeah. Look at the water pretty, man.
I see a water from Hubs, man.
From Hope? Miami River?
Yeah, go up on.
I see one this from Miami River?
Yeah, man.
Oh, Miami and Hope together, two of them?
Yeah, my river, that's the place name.
No, I say, at that part of the river the water come from?
Well, that is a Hope River, man.
Hope River, that what is that come from? Yeah.
It's a straight to Maryland, Cambridge,
yeah.
Straight to Narberth, up in the hills.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Way up on Irish Town, everywhere.
Yeah.
No, local place. Spring. Everything. No days in the kingdom.
Yes, I.
Have no days and rivers, valleys.
Yeah, hills and the valleys. Yeah. Mama, top chef. You know, man.
So I go and chill out and food for food, eh?
Is the food cook already?
Yeah, man. So sure.
Yeah, keep river clean.
Yeah, man. Keep river clean.
Yeah.
Go get Uncle a circle,
Yeah.
Don't touch it, man.
Good energy, you know? Good energy, man. I lie.
And I'll go for a kick off something. So let's go and court.
Coach him,
treat for you, man.
Kid Street.
Yeah, give back to youth and you know that you know.
Yeah.
September.
That's what, yeah. Which day in August you know is that? You have a date already?
No, we don't have a date, but we have to organize it before that, though.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, you have to keep me posted so
yes, man.
can pass through on that day.
You know, Uncle have a digit, huh?
Yeah. Keep me posted on that day there, you know? Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, my journal.
Cool, man. Big up. It's a good look. Yeah? Yeah.
See, Uncle. Uncle them. Come here then.
How we going there?
Yeah, we're going there.
One burger. Love the upgrade, you know? It's a beautiful look, I don't lie. It's a beautiful look. All I want is 2 Airbnb on the spot.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, man. You want to Airbnb somewhere on the other so. Trust me. Bed and breakfast. It's a good look, man. I like how you literally put it all in it, you know, and set it up. You just leave it like how it is, you know.
Everything, man. I'm going to them to come enjoy it.
Yeah.
I'm not here.
Them still enjoy it. Yeah, man. I like the look, man.
That's a real joy enough to see them enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. It's a good look, man. Trust me, it's a good look. Very enticing, looking good, you know. So this is where if anyone want to book, they can come and book as well, you know. But nice, yeah. Place look totally different from the last time when you come. We're different. Yeah, you can see the work put in, man, you know. You never sit about at all. You maintain it right through. It's in you keep on evolve. You know, you just leave it as it is and just say, you know what, make it be as it is. You try to enhance it to attract the eyes. You know, and really love what I am seeing, man. You know, it's a spot where trust me. This place always in my heart because I used to first become well a vibe before we head up a Miami River. You know, so this is that spot. Oh, so it's you man now watch it and see me turn up straight away. I really talk, man. Yeah.
Just because I watch it, I'm not even done for evil like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, see everything.
Alright, man.
See performance, man. See things, man. I'm subscribe to you.
Cool, man.
Yeah, see, man.
Yeah.
Subscribe to you.
I'm sitting thing up and run. Yeah.
I'm fuse them, so we reach 5 million.
Yeah. Genuine thing, man, you know? Yes, I. Yeah, man, can I make the selector go and play back in music because I good. So, you know, so now away, them can come and buy what they want to buy also, you know? See it there? So you have to look for a little bar, and you have to talk, check the snacks, see me. Oh, yeah. Guys, so man, them all are quick vibes. Wow, saying wow, boom, saying boom. Jackson saying Rasta out, and boom saying boom out. Wow, saying wow out.
Yeah, man. Real, man.
Right, just have a different vibe, you know?
Go
Ah!
on, driver, man. Go on. Go on, driver.
It's a wide plate, that, you know? Yeah. Man, it's a road.
And stop fast.
Yeah.
I show him the way you go.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's about why.
Good energy, man. Good vibe.
Go up on the side of the afternoon.
Big so. See the missus there. Well, it was a good little small quick vibes, you know? The energy did it right. I really want to live to paradise. Jackson start sweat, Boom start sweat, the man must skanking step. It's like, wow, yeah, wow. Oh. Alright guys, it was a good little vibe, you know? Long time chill there for a little bit.
Nice, get some on.
Nice. We need to do a cookout vibe just as well.
Yes,
I forgot for my boy, Tick man, where name ya?
Yeah man.
Maroon man. Yes, man.
On that trip, I have to bring Maroon man.
I go ball deal, I go ball kill, man.
For sure, we have to bring Maroon man.
Remember Maroon man. Come on, go ball, you know.
Yeah. Maroon man have to on this trip.
Yeah, man. Go ball deal, man. Go ball. Why you don't see him? You don't see him.
Man full of energy, man.
Full of energy, man. When the man get wild to blood, you wouldn't like the man when he get wild.
Yeah. Change like Incredible Hulk. Maroon man, you know Mr. Trippie, no, don't worry.
Maroon man, nah, Mr. Trippie man.
Nah, miss this Maroon man.
Man, love you like cook food, you know that.
Yeah, man. I love how them stuff the pool list as well, you know?
Yeah, the
good section. Hello.
I am so intrigued. Where's Cranberry?
Oh, Shida River.
Where Nana?
One thing about there.
Where? What are who's on the dog, them there?
Them there.
I'm like, hey, I'm not leave your show, you know. Are you want me there, so you know?
Sure.
Are you want me there, so you know?
Be there. Big up yourself, man. Sure. Big up yourself. Yes.
You want me there, so you know?
Sounds like maybe we said like we should work together. Why should we say that again?
Yeah. And you see the eye already?
You don't see me eat my food.
Oh.
You don't see me eat my food, I say me have to come get food.
Of course. See the man themselves.
I have to come get food. I want Kino.
Yeah.
One Kino.
Long live Kino. Never cool.
Hey, you's a champion. You's a champion.
Cool.
You's a champ, Kino.
Doing a great work.
The baby them. The baby them.
Doing a great work, man.
The dad. The mom.
Everyone. Nice to meet you, man.
We should have a video.
It's me a video.
Surprise me dead now. One Kino.
Yeah.
One Kino.
Yeah.
Dream team make
It work.
yes. Big up yourself.
Take care, yeah? Let them see that girl.
All the river.
Hey.
All the river thing, balling.
My friend, wash way.
I'm a river thing, balling. But man, one look, you know. Everything they innocent.
In the art.
I guess I'm phone now.
Yeah, it's on the art.
Yeah. Make it right here.
Alright, eat the food. Hello. Huh?
Kino, I'm in nephew this you know. One day you come in Garden Town and you ask me to river.
Where?
Garden Town.
Yeah.
And you ask me the river.
For the river?
Stop in at the circle and I ask a fox.
Oh, yeah.
I'm come from the Kino.
Up inside there.
I am on a mile left hand.
Remember, man. I remember Oak River. Yeah. Remember, man.
Pretty
close. Yeah.
Never check. Yeah. The guy.
In the round, yes, sir.
And his wife.
Yeah.
We have something so we can from our town.
Alright, so that's where I'm going now.
A big thing they're going with the name.
Let's see the big things tonight. Alright then, take care, yeah? Yeah. And you're right. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I just need a subscriber as well too. So what you get? You get the goodies?
Yes, I'm sick, so I need to get the detox.
Oh.
I've been promised at my job.
Okay. So yeah, you're going the right thing, man.
More than I know.
Yeah, you're going the goodies, man. Yeah.
What's in kilo?
7. It's my friend over there, 7. You mean 7 already? 7. How you doing, 7? So I'll be here. Save the cake.
No, Gus. Listen, don't trick him. No, Gus.
7 is save the cake, right? No. Alright. 7 save my cake.
I don't believe him.
You don't believe him? 7?
The cake is at my yard in the fridge here.
Really?
Yeah. You need to smoke one for you? That's the name, please. Yes. We'll see you have
Yeah. And thank you so much for coming support, you know, get the healthy stuff there. Just you want the mask. Thank you so much. Because the health is well, you know. So you're in Jamaica? Okay, so you can come after you come get the stuff there. I think it's time to invest in our health.
Yeah, that's true.
Hello.
I have friends that are vegan overseas and I know when you come in just go and buy stuff like crazy.
Of course. Yeah. We have to invest in our health right now, you know. Nothing else but.
If you don't have health, you can't have money. You can't do anything if you don't have good.
And when you feel healthy, you feel good in yourself.
Yeah.
You know, you have that good feelings and everything, you know. So it is the way forward, man.
Exactly.
Find out say you can't go last once you invest in yourself. A lot of people invest in a car, in a house, in a clothes and everything, but they invest in a health. And
Way down.
Way down. They're going to end up leaving all the material stuff. You know? I see some people come here, so them look at them age, you know, them eat so healthy and feel healthy. You know? Even you look for as a herbal man, you like, you look healthy, you know, and
I was just asking her about some stuff because I have been breakfast.
Yeah. You cannot watch the price, you know, you have to just say no.
Yeah, you have to just.
Because they make the good stuff them expensive, you know.
That is it.
And the unhealthy stuff them so easy to get, you know. And send it to the hospital so easy. You end up paying more in the hospital.
Let him get one of the machines because he can get one free because he's supposed to be on the NHF to get medication. So
now someone said I'm going to bring one as well to hopefully by within this week or next week.
Definitely need to check his sugar. Once per day to see, you know,
the level.
It's normally when they're sick, I don't know, for some reason the sugar always tend to fall. Because my father is like that. So I've attended to the fall easily.
Yeah, because him on the fall when time he was in the hospital, it was 0.
Right.
And I couldn't believe, so this man got 0 and he rise up back.
And don't go into a coma.
Exactly, them say you're lucky.
Because my father in January when he took sick and he was in a coma. So you're lucky.
Lucky, very, very lucky, I tell you. And we have to give thanks, you know.
Find something to do. You know, find something because that might work out with the sickness that is.
Make my my lovely subscribers already.
Trust me, I see her. I love you coming back next week.
Of course, for sure. And we have
Yeah, you change your bag, that's true. Yeah, all the time like give a tear bag. No bag.
hello.
You put that with your products on,
Julian. So nice to meet you about, you know, you can say I, you know, see where I go and just
One being alive.
yeah, right.
Like, share, and subscribe.
You hear that? Thank you so much. Yeah.
You went to,
Alright then.
okay, well you went to a concert?
She had a quick Amazon. Some over Amazon did a special. But she had a quick little pop-up concert in Dallas.
How was it?
It was.
7.
She's God.
You understand? So I just
7 said have my cake. Where's the cake, 7?
God in all the forms of it.
Live it by the garden. So why never bring it with
I
you?
remember her just last night. Look at the fact that she's a doula.
Oh man.
And she said her
Forget it. Never mind. Right? Never high five.
yeah, she can sing.
This is you soon start from my concert. What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris, Miss Soon start concert.
Yeah. Got some cornflakes and oats. Well, guys, you know, thing goes so. Yeah, you know, Cranberry called Mr. Shane. We can get her some cornflakes. You know, cornflakes is one of her favorite stuff. You know, she said most times she always munch them. So you get 2 of them red boxes.
The red box, yeah, man. And just done.
Okay, the bigger one, this. Oh, this is a first
The bigger one, this lads.
This one more than the box one.
So 1 kg. Yeah, 1 more. Cost more too.
Okay. How much it is?
887.
How much is that one?
593.
Oh, you get the 2 of that then.
See what's in there. All the money that the cornflakes, the money thing. Big bag there. You buy the box. Bag there.
Let's get one of them oats there. Right, people coming out what's it?
Yeah, so the oats are pasta. You know, the pasta oats. That's one.
Which one is this? Oh, this is simple natural.
Yeah.
Oh, that one, no, don't to that one there. Yeah. And calm here. Because something you want, because if you want boiled porridge. And tin milk, you get like 2 tin milk. And then, you have the retail calm meal?
Retail?
Yeah.
Around this one.
We're on the next side.
Mm-hmm.
We get the next one. Come on, we get on this one. Alright guys, so let me say, Cranberry said she want to make porridge and she like all of cereals. So I get cornflakes and I get oats and corn milk here. Because she like to make a porridge, you know. Yeah. Sugar there.
Sweet, brown, white.
So you get the brown one. Let me get sugar what they as well, you know. Buy one pack.
The light are coming.
Which one?
It's coming.
Lasco and thin milk. Lasco and thin milk. The all-purple flour.
The brown one have a white one.
Get 2 rice for the father and done. I don't know the brown rice, so daddy can get 2 of them rice there.
Yes, dog.
Ah, big up.
That's the boss there. I don't want. There and the dog one. Yeah.
Oh, which one there? You see tin milk? Which one today? Alright, oh. Tin milk. Let me get them 2 tin. Lasco now. Oh, it's the Lasco in. Whoa, come. See ya. Can I use that to make the porridge? Lasco now. Vanilla.
Chocolate, you have peanut and all different levels. You have the white one.
The vanilla one or the still?
No, the one I look on.
Oh yeah. You have all different flavors.
Strawberry and
All different flavors. So at least now guys, this can last them for at least a week. You know, because we don't eat cornflakes often and them boiled porridge every day. Cranberry cheese. So with these 2 big bags of oats, 2 big bags of cornflakes, oats and cornmeal. So I get them tin milk to use to make the porridge and Lasco to make the cornflakes. You know, because she called me and asked if she want get cornflakes and Lasco. So you know, I have to look out for my adapted. You know, so this is good for her.
box? Can't get the book wrap. I watch the book. Put down the weight. Yeah, watch that the book list and get that quote and know what. Alright guys, so that's it now. So we're gonna head up into Mana River to drop this stuff off for them. Alright guys, so we just literally reach. I imagine one Cranberry call my phone and I go, Daddy, you know about I come today? You know, I check up on her conflict. You know, them say she and none of the one can eat the most. So every time them swim, them want something to eat. So but this one them can boil porridge, you know, and eat them little cereals, you know, when they're ready. You know this one now here anymore, the bugs that used to make the noise.
Oh, she's not coming enough.
Yeah. I'm gonna hear them again now. I'm gonna black them this, you know, what she sell. Firm and strong.
Alright. Why? Why?
Let me bring it. Roll this. Roll it. Evening.
No, I will say a plaka. Oh. What's your cook?
Evening, Nana. You running medals? Better than.
You swim on the say, you say, you walk.
Two back here. What?
Tara is not for you.
Oh, I'm done. I tell you, so everything soon start. Tara, get everything. You cut her.
Yeah, I see. Tara, now get done.
Things change, you know.
Yeah,
right, Nana?
Things change.
I said things change. I don't know.
Yeah,
Coco, things change. You know, Cecil. Hello. How you eat? Chicken back and ackee. Aye, who cook that?
And dumpling.
And dumpling. More dumpling? Who cook that? Toko?
More that father.
You know, give her some. Yes, sir. Charge. Oh, go on. Look like you put in some work. Look like you do some work.
No, that pipe they made up for it. Don't go down there.
Oh. Oh, you run them go down there? Oh. Jaja. Some ackee and chicken back and dumpling. Bad food that you. And nobody no offer me none. Nana no offer me any.
This alone left back.
That alone left back. No, Sam, they ever ask. Ari no offer me any. Toko no offer me any. I don't have no more name for call. You see, nobody no offer me none. Nobody. And look how I bring for them. Cornflakes, oats, Lasco, sugar. And they must look for me and eat them food, so I watch them make bring back the box I got in my yard. No, later, yeah? Go with the box. Bye bye. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Toko. Yee! Say bye bye, Ari. Now say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright. Woo. Okay, later. Charge it. Think I'm joking? I'm here alone. I gotta eat this. Sorry, food. No. Bye bye, Cranberry.
Yeah.
Can't you? Alright, then watch. Boom. Take this one we do, yeah? Because they might eat food and we not get none. We're gone.
We not get food.
Yeah. Later you can.
Dark food too there.
Gone.
Next time I bring that food come here.
Next, I got eat a lot of cornflakes and thing.
I'm gonna go boom and mix some cornflakes and oats.
Yeah.
I'm hungry right now.
Come here, boom. Oh yeah. Go on now.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
I'm gonna boom and mix some cornflakes and oats.
Tomorrow. Come with it, that's all. Come over here. Come over here. You're the medal. You're the medal. Come in, sir. Come in.
Yeah, you they bring them here, come here for.
Oh, Nana, where you running to, Nana?
I'm grandpa around there, so bring them for.
Yeah. I'll give them to someone else. Yeah.
What's up, somebody?
Yeah, that's all.
Everybody names so.
You know what him, sir? I don't know where you run with down for. Watch ya. I want to run and go. Eh?
My stand around the corner of the building fine up.
I want to run and go.
Just gonna call him. I don't have phone no one.
I don't have phone no.
I don't know, shit, man.
Talk out, where you run go? Hey, Harry, Cranberry, where you go? Hey, Tara. No.
Tara, you did it to Tara.
No, sir. All the dog I run with down. Like them I say, yo, I want to go. When I follow behind me for. No, sir. Everybody I run with down. I first to see this. No, sir. Put on the pussy out, Tara.
Pino, you want one of them here?
Eh?
You want one of them here?
Eh?
What him buy it?
What you want me down for?
The big...
Kenny shot to her.
Oh! Mommy passed it.
Oh, him left his glasses today.
Oh.
With a flash.
Something there.
Prefect.
Me say yesterday I
Because
meet
everybody yesterday see it. If you hear them pass through.
it night, you know.
Huh?
It look nice. You don't know where I'm having to your key, you know.
In there? Hello, you have to go bring up back the box.
No.
Stop by. But say they make the cat buy till him can't buy it no more.
Yeah. Let's see and tell you already something clean, huh?
Huh?
I tell you, when I find the back plate.
Them say back week yesterday.
Someone could have do them. They're ninja, man.
I say yesterday I trained him when I find deep Kenny shop. Sarah!
You have to bring up that. You come for your box like you own any box. Eh? You own any box, miss. Where?
Yeah?
You know where you follow me for like whole and run coming lucky. Yeah, me not go with it, yeah?
You can't go here, you can't pay some money. You give money to buy it.
I wish.
Mommy, you're not going to have a new father.
That has no problem to do with me. That have nothing to do with me at all. Take up that.
You don't let me call you?
I don't want you to call me anymore.
Alright, I go to the war later.
Really country woman, you say you bring up the box and I hold one side of your back.
So what this is going to make me right now.
Wow. Look some more.
Yeah, bring nothing for you. Hey.
Nah, bring my cup. Bring my cup. I'll find you good. I'm on my cup. The last cup, mine. No, yes, I'm what? I'll make with this. I'll this other boss.
What boss?
This.
Are you boss it?
No, Daddy don't tell a lie upon me.
Are you boss it?
See that?
Are you unboss it a while ago?
Yeah, and don't tell a lie
Or
upon
maybe
me.
this can boss it too.
Take it out. No?
You see you then? I'll call the police later.
And then you have a cry.
Me not key I'm put in a jail. Me a bath a key, no?
You have a cry.
Oh, who a bath key, no?
So I want you call up my phone.
Alright, you see what?
Yes,
Tonight,
you can call me.
So Tara there, Tara defend him.
Tara,
One go defend him.
Tara,
In the
defend Tara.
you shall say.
yeah, Tara, deal with that case to me there, Tara. Deal with that case to me there, Tara.
Give me best
Yeah.
Tara.
Fix her.
Fix her for me, Tara.
Fix her.
Yeah. Fix her for me, Tara. Yes.
Drink it out, eh?
She bright, Tara. Fix her for me. Tara, you will bring them for your Tara?
Yeah, alone.
Yeah, you and Tara. Give her a Lasco.
Okay, no. I'm not sure you yesterday when you did that one. Finish, do the corner there. Cranberry, excuse me, kid come see.
Yeah, so I guess we bring the goods in for Tara. Right, Tara? And Nana.
And cranberry.
Which cranberry? There's no cran in this berry right here.
Oh, yeah,
There's no cran in no berry.
and later, if you go, we mix your coffee and send you a picture.
No cran, no
Oh,
berry.
I don't know.
Says Tara and Nan. Let me see what I go on in there, so.
Now try to take out the soda outside.
The rice is for your daddy.
Daddy. Daddy. Now try to take out the soda.
Sugar
Daddy.
No way.
I got it.
and oats. Caramel, you can use the tin milk to boil the porridge with the caramel and the oats.
Oh, yeah, no.
And use the last cup for
Okay, then you
cornflakes.
say to them, boil some porridge. And then drink it off.
Them for drink it off.
The people need to give it. No.
Finish, that's right.
You finish?
Yeah,
You finish?
No, you have that little piece there. Him be cut that little piece there for those no say. Okay, do the
It's a
edges
good
there.
broke. This is to take up your soup.
This is the
But him finish the corner there.
It's a good broke if it's
That
not broke.
broke. Nah.
Down and go step for it. Oh, so like get the left back.
Yeah, but him cut it one way and the other piece is supposed to be around the side. The same man just put it in.
And that bigger piece of you need cut at least you feel them get there already. And everything.
Exciting.
Yeah. Can she get cornflakes, though? Get cornflakes. She get cornflakes, right, Tara?
Cornflakes, you want oats or you want cornflakes? Which one of them?
Cornflakes. Hello, come out of the box. Put the thing in there.
Tara should go in your box.
Tara, shall I go? Take up a shovel. Take up a shovel from her.
Give me that now.
Tell her again. Don't go in your box again.
How much you
Tell her, don't go in your box. Right?
Don't make sure you go in.
Alright.
Them below by the pool down there, so now, down a boom.
You see? One is better now to me. I see a piece of tire, so I'm going to move them. Then I cut for them. Then they will cut for them. Put it in there, so.
Alright, now.
Yeah, but they put it in there, so. We're going to go less hard. Right banana? Where? Right banana in there. Right banana on the box. What? You
get 2.
Stop.
You get 2. Tara said, whoa.
Oh, I just up in there. Sarah,
What that?
no.
What am I hearing?
Yeah.
Wow, no, nobody can trouble that. I wish I doing in the box, Tara. What you doing in the box?
Mommy, you want this?
Car place we are to make Sarah and all people the car place. One
Make sure the Tara box are trouble.
and
I like the pool on this one, man. The pool is nice.
you never believe me. Yesterday I think I lie me I tell
How
you.
can I believe you?
Okay,
If another time believe
oh, that
her.
dicky deep in there, I never believe me. I'm not telling you around here.
You know, say
They can't
to me,
see
but you know, say crowd more that side than the other side. Don't go see the crowd that day. Water dirty, then that still have it. Don't miss out.
Take it and
The last time.
Oh, the jump. It's supposed to be from TikTok. When the whole of we did that jump off the DM.
Okay, then
Coco, Tyra, the whole of
me
we.
the food, and then the water lick me.
Lick you? Oh.
When me that jump on the fire.
Alicia.
Oh, you
Like,
like
no,
belly.
no, I call it don't mess with me.
Get belly boss.
Yeah, me that's it.
no, let's talk in the picture.
This
Oh,
picture.
The balance in mommy.
Oh, mama see it? Mama see it? Mama see it now?
Not sure.
Cranberry, mama see it? Cause some deal.
Check
Oh, should I show you when she a baby? My brother supposed to say them.
Don't know what baby.
When Cranberry a baby.
I'm sure. You mean when she a granny? Oh, when she a granny, dad. When she a baby.
No, it's yeah.
When she born, she was a granny. I know she's the older grandma.
Oh, she had the car.
No, Tara. Whee. Guys, I believe when she born, she was a baby. I think she was an older grandma. You know, she's an old soul. Very, very old soul.
Don't make it see that you are laughing for you.
No.
Kina, look for
You
my
must
mother.
laugh from my old picture them. I'm a brother of them.
Oh, are you pregnant with this?
Nana.
I'm supposed to Nana.
Oh, Nana.
We can bury them. We should come. So can bury them.
And which granny this?
I see my cousin them.
And she, who this? I can't recognize her for sure. Master.
And this are supposed to when that Michelle. See me can bury them.
No, sir. She feel a dream, you say.
That's the first photo we have.
So we
Bingo.
So Cranberry, oh, you don't look. No, you don't look at the person, yeah. I know you that. Stand up right there, so I look on your good now. That don't look like you. No, Nana. I don't look like you. I borrow that picture and say it's you. This is not you.
The bingo
Are
one,
you this? You show me why you're you. Which why you still look like you?
It's me this.
Which why you still look like you?
Not yet. We have
Nothing there doesn't look like you.
look.
No, Nana. Tell the truth, Nana. Which why you still look like her? Guys, tell me which why you see now. Which why you see Cranberry in this picture? Well, I know I can't see her good. Cranberry, no sir.
No, that is not you.
I know she it is.
Harry, come, me go.
Back on you again. You see your face, miss. Turn your face to me. I know Cranberry this. This is strawberry.
Cranberry.
You believe so? Are you that?
Kevin.
This is me and Cranberry.
And Kevin.
And my brother. Kevin.
That do not look like uncle. That do not look like uncle.
Come, Togo.
Uncle looks like it look like Cranberry.
Little bit.
Yeah.
That no look like a little bit at all. Look like a whole heap. No look like
That no look like
Cranberry at all.
That's my mother. Close to ya, Michelle.
Oh, Michelle.
Why are you doing something? Somebody fling you like that.
No, I would shake your ear to open. Do you want somebody to fling you?
I mean, Harry, that should be here.
See them send something.
Oh God. Cause you talk to her, that's why.
No, me take time, me never can.
Harry, that should have cat there, right, Harry?
I'm not laughing there.
You're not laughing there. She's not laughing there. Coco. You're tired of Peter. She dash with the cat, Coco.
Before I really doesn't get the way on Soviet.
Him land pan him food.
Yeah.
If him drop
I want to make cat anyway you throw them a land pan him foot. Nah land pan him head. If you throw him off for the house top, I'm going to land pan him foot.
Kina, look by the teenager then.
If you throw it upside, up in the sky,
Teenager.
Who?
the tornado, right?
Teenager.
Yeah.
Chef, they have list tongue. What you say? Say it again. Teenager. Guys, look on it. Look on Cranberry. Teenager.
Don't pick it.
Don't touch it, Togo. Don't touch it, cause him don't start.
Cranberry says teenager. That's not ready yet. Leave them. They're not baby
Leave
ones.
them, Togo. If you chop them out, drop her.
That's Cranberry teenager.
Come, Tyra. Come, we are going with you.
And please.
I need your mother call you. Come, your mommy call you.
No, get a calculation, especially you, Tyra.
Tyra, leave it alone and come to your mommy.
Come, where is chocolate? Come, where is chocolate? Chocolate, sir? Tara. Alright, come and keep
So Tyra find you. See that now? Yes, Tyra. Now look for Cranberry no more.
Tara, look at my teeth for one.
Well.
Mackerel.
It's a mackerel.
What I told Tyra?
I want a Tyra.
When name? Oh.
Somebody tell her this.
Yeah, Harry. Tyra said mackerel.
No, look, no, I know them and I fall by them if you eat it. I'm a
No, a cornflakes.
Cornflakes.
I will.
Who are you?
Yeah, she when she come from school, she have cornflakes.
Milk.
So you just buy her a big box.
Yeah.
It's not that milk.
Cornflakes nice now. Me and mommy used to love cornflakes when I was young.
And Cranberry.
Yeah.
When Cranberry go to school, every time she have cornflakes.
Yeah, me used to love cornflakes when I was younger. Right, Tyra? Tyra, love cornflakes, though. I used to love cornflakes, man.
Cornflakes, they were at school
We used to have it when I go to school.
I want 54 cornflakes now.
At school? In the cup?
Yeah, them sell them in a cup.
And the one who sell it, they pull up my cup.
Me no buy
Watch your name?
2 bits for period.
Or them buy ice cream.
Oh.
Ice cream.
No, don't tell me like.
Cranberry.
Eat ice cream, of course.
You eat ice cream.
After I go buy
Ice cream most of cornflakes.
Nana, she eat ice cream at school?
Sometimes.
See? It's my classmate.
Because miss, the woman will sell that I took a teacher.
I should ask me why I'm not buy. So,
Teacher.
Teacher. And then we stop at she sell the sweetie.
I'm bum.
Ring pop.
150 for the ring pop.
The light up one and she have the light up one and she do know. Some light up and some not light up.
Oh. Okay. Whoa.
Police are come there.
She has sell bell.
She sell bell too?
No, like sweetie belt.
Oh.
Nah, look at everything. I think I'm real best.
Look, you know this Tyra stay close to me now. Tyra knows so she get her back. Tyra, tell her to let me go.
Don't put your hands on my face.
Tyra, tell her to let me go, Tyra. Tyra, what should I do with Tyra? Tyra. No man, make Tyra beat me, you know. Tyra, beat them, Tyra.
You know, the killer pretty.
No.
And someone they pay it out.
So tattoo, let me look like it's tattoo. Tattoo. Fight them off, Tyra. Get them off, Tyra.
Look at Tara. Put her slippers.
Put her, give back Toko at top. Give back Toko that. Oh gosh. Tyra, but only for fight for fight. No, sir. Yo, watch out. Eh?
Look at Miss coming like she knows it there.
Eh? Oh, no, sir.
Hey,
see, Cranberry get left, you know. Tell me I don't need Cranberry now. Put that on
I want to go DJ show time.
What do you mean?
One
Now we just eat, so we all eat together, right?
Oh, I put you. Hey, we can't get to my car. I'm going to eat me. Get no kino. I'm going to sell it. You can't join the one. We're not going to make him job. No. When you come.
My dad was there.
I'm going to put me a sick. That's a kilo. I'm coming to car place soon and straight up and then go eat. After reach, I can see one.
Toko should have done that swim yesterday. I don't want to see if you can manage our water. You can sit in a deep part?
Run the deeper than that.
Yeah. You see, round the sun, because you can't sing no chicken. I think chicken no baby. And maybe children not even did that. If she did swim go, they should have gone and swim go there.
Can I did I say yesterday?
Tomorrow, oh chef, when you're watching this, Friday's your birthday. I don't want to say happy birthday.
Billy,
Mom, get all chef one of this. Mom, get all chef one of this.
Oh, chef.
Mom, get one of this.
In down there, so. You have him money running medal?
Yeah. I shall go get back more.
Alright, Tara, ease them up now, Tara. Ease them up, Tara. Ease them up.
We get two of them in school and we get two of them in school. Because me and look man join the way. Me look man do it and me look man win.
Yeah?
Because me man do not pop the balloon.
Oh.
Tara say me and not one.
Yeah, share, Tara.
Yeah.
Shall I share?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Tara, share.
I go call it my friend then.
Eh?
I call it Jaisha, them
almost reached down. She said, come like she afraid of the dog.
Oh,
Jaisha.
the dog, yeah?
Daddy. Baby.
I
love you, Mom.
No, sir. I want to go out here, so.
Daddy.
I want to pick them here. No, sir. You are chubby. A big chubby little China. Cranberry get left. How much pick them have now? You have Tara, you have Toko, you have Nana,
and Ari.
And Ari. I'm going to take over. Yeah, man. You tell Cranberry so she can't get left. So wait, so the dog go trouble her even though she always come up here?
Maybe she's afraid of him.
Oh, she was afraid?
She normally ever can be from this. I look man we come. But look man we come up. But look normally ask you for.
Oh.
And then come down to come meet her.
Brown.
Well, no, it's down there.
Yeah.
But if in the back for a long time.
Yeah, not supposed to bar. Oh, the boat.
Daddy.
Talk to me, I want you, man. Talk to me.
Daddy.
It's a charge member for deal with the thing, you know. As soon as possible.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Talk a lick, y'all.
Yeah. Where shall beat me for? Tara, let's walk on Tara. Tara, it's talk or beat me.
I think that work, but it's done, the thing for the foot.
It done?
Daddy.
I'm just listen, me asleep this morning.
Daddy.
And me and my uncle upon. You know, so me and Lord and run come upstairs, fly my door open, and I say, "What go on evening?" And I say, "Yo, the thing I'm get from Yaya work, you know." The man say, "Yo, big up Yaya for me," you know. Yeah, man, I tell you, guys, me I tell you, say, Baja get some product from Yaya. Me I tell you, say, Baja, you come call me this morning. I couldn't believe it. Think of something happening. Man say, "Yo, Kino, tell Yaya, say, big up the product, them at work." You know, to trust me that do miracle for you, you know. You lock it up though. Man. How much left? Let me see the bathroom. How much left in the bathroom? Let me see how long you can last for. Alright now.
It's supposed to G and it.
Alright, you know, run me red now. Alright.
You want some cornflakes? You love ball over flakes.
Alright guys, so Charlie say, you know, there's the womb sore herbs where but Yaya give for him for the cut. You know, him say it at work, it heal it up as well too. So it's running out, so I get some more of that feel for him putting at the home. You know, so with that now Yaya say must spray it in the hole. Alright. It's done, man.
I drain it.
If it came from early set I done. Because I never
bring the phone.
You have to go start out here, you know. This have to go start out. You can't go on the trip with that ear, nothing like Rasta.
Yeah? You have to make sure do it and make sure you cry. You will cry?
Alright, I'm going to run my left phone now, you know. Even though I see some traffic a while ago, you know, I should have wait a little bit, you know. Yeah. Some traffic come and come out.
You know, come for the yeah, come do that?
Yeah. Yeah, because I see some traffic when I come and go down that side there. Even when I come up, traffic out there. Alright guys, so anyway thing goes, so you know I'm gonna talk up now, you know I'm say bring Cranberry what you want and everything, so I'm gonna head in. But don't have to go around here and look for pine anymore. You know. Usually I used to say, I check my pine. I check the pine. So then 1 year, the next 2 years before them start shoot again, right? Next 2 years. Usually I say, Nana, which cane?
The cane.
Cane? When I get the cane, I give me cane.
Pine.
Oh, pine. No, not yet. Till I say it's gonna last me for 2 years. No, sir. Look how I do my foot. The whole I do my dad. I want my cornflakes now. I too tired of the boss. No, the whole of your pants batted nasty up.
I want to mix it through. I want to mix it through.
Eh?
More water, Nana.
Oh.
Get some water. No, come here.
And the whole of them just eating the dinner and they don't want more food.
Yes, food, nice. Actually, we never have no place to get some food from here. Food, nice. Go to the water. Draw this for me, Kino, please.
No, I'm dry it. Let's open the top. No, we take it out. Let's open the top. No, you have to do it, so. Just pull it. Oh, yes.
Hello.
My father. It's a seal. Mom, can you bust out that white man?
It's simple, man. The complex that done today. Sorry for them. Make it last longer. Today that are done.
What is that suffocating?
Tara, them have done your complex today. Tara.
Jesus, get me who you mix that Pass it, Nana.
So no put sugar in it?
Throw some water in that, I want it.
No put sugar in it?
No, Daddy, that's how we eat cornflakes. Get, come. Mommy, I go in there for you, know.
Mommy, I'm coming.
Well, look at them.
What kind of mixing are going on?
Oh, let's Jerry Wanley.
No, sir. What kind of mixing are going on?
Oh, hush.
What kind of mixing are going on here, sir? Hey, first we see them mixing here.
This? Sweet needs some more.
Yes, sir.
Put your cornflakes in there, all this. And let's go for donkey now.
And the first we see them mixing here. The Tara gone for her one. Tara get her cup and gone. Hey, Cranberry, what you doing? And so I take up that and I have to fix that properly.
Oh, fix it.
No, you have to clean up the box. Because Ansa got to take the box.
Yes!
I have to go charge it. Then the last cut that show in there a while ago, Ansa got to take the box there.
You can't chew the
See there? I have to go take them out.
Fast.
Tara, where you go?
I'm out there. It's sweet. Yes, sir.
What Tara?
Everybody gone now. You just knock out the last code them dash out there. Alright, charges. So look a bit. When time I talk to him, then we make him know so I'd finish, yeah? Alright.
Jaisha!
Come now, miss.
Okay.
Alright guys, so yeah man, so I'm saying the daddy feeling much better, more stronger, more better, and him say the cut on his foot is also is healing as well too, you know, because the healing liquid that Yaya gave to him to put in the sore, it had healed completely, you know. He said it lock up, close right up, but guess what, it finished, you know. So we're not going to see Yaya for the next couple of days, so I could get it. So I wish him they tell me from before, so at least then it never run out. But him said that heal up completely. So guys, big up to Yaya. You know, Yaya product really do work, you know. Really do work.
You know that me want to pull up my way best to eat.
Yes, you know, just eating dinner like, and then I eat cornflakes.
When I go eating, and that's how I make it know when they're there. So you know why none of them are make for them one key, no? Because they know some mother that pull a two next week. If you're gone, you know mother do the complex, eh? You see, no? Look now, she throw it to my Jaisha, she and her brother, and she throw it to my last one, and then I then far away.
That's the quickest mistake. So.
You see me Saturday, oh chef, my belly, and my belly I ruling. That's all I'm going to tell you, so I couldn't talk to you, pull up this New York.
Cool cat. leave the cat, man. Leave the cat. Put down the cat. Put down the cat. Him can't jump over that, you know. That's come like nothing to feel. Walk off, honestly. Yeah. Tell us him can't jump that. And a combo.
I'm tell him happy birthday.
Kina. We got this some up here.
It's something.
Come see me a game.
For the medal?
Yeah.
Sure, you have to win that medal first, man.
Yeah.
You have to earn it.
Come on, like that. Jay, show me can't
Go and charge him. Come on, let's see that dead. Go and charge that dead.
White nose get big, man.
Come. Kina. Get those.
Then later, everyone, right? High five. High five. Thank you. Look at miss. Yeah?
See something way talk about them the door.
Oh, yeah.
I just say him get it, man. I must say so.
Oh,
Yeah,
see the mesh there?
Yeah, them there.
No, I borrow, go borrow. You bring this goat, they go give him. To sieve.
Use the camera and did this stuff?
Yeah.
Girl, look like let me at the sea and put my camera.
You know where you get.
I'm not even in the ramping today, brother. Yo.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that? Carry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.